Hey everybody, I just wanted to come in and encourage everybody to eat their weeds. The weed that I want to talk about today is the wild onion. This is growing in everybody's lawn, springing up right now. Now you're going to run over it with the lawnmower after the first time, but even if you were to leave a small patch of grass, you'd probably be able to get this kind of stuff year round. If you're feeling a little nervous about eating a wild onion, take a look at the root here. This is not much different really than your store-bought onion. It has these little bulbs on it. It's the same plant, but the ones in the store have just been bred for bigger bulbs. It's not that it's a completely different plant even. It's certainly in the same family and it might have a little bit of a different variety. But this is an onion right here. And so this is an onion top and can be used in the same way for cooking. Might have a little more of a wild flavor to it. It's safe to eat if you can identify it correctly. Be sure you're identifying things correctly, especially if you can see the bulb. It's got 65 calories per 100 grams, vitamin K and vitamin C. But one of the best things about your wild onion to me is the flavoring possibilities it has for things that you already have, that you're already planning on cooking, meat or vegetables. So you can kind of get an herb wild from your yard and enjoy that, but also get all of the wonderful nutritional benefits from it as well.